Paycom is an all-in-one human capital management or HCM platform that specializes in payroll, benefits, time management, and other essential HR functions. It's designed to streamline payroll processing for businesses of all sizes, making it easier for HR and finance teams to handle employee pay accurately and efficiently. Paycom's payroll system integrates with its other modules such as benefits administration and time tracking to simplify data management and reduce errors. In this video, I'll provide an overview of Paycom's payroll features and benefits and discuss the main function it offers to help you manage payroll smoothly. This guide is perfect for beginners looking to understand how Paycom can simplify payroll processes and enhance overall business efficiency. So, for the key features of Paycom Payroll, first it has the automated payroll processing. So, one of the most powerful aspects of Paycom's payroll software is its automation capabilities. Paycom handles everything from calculating employee hours to tax withholdings and generating paychecks, which minimizes human errors and ensures accuracy. So, in this feature, it has the automatic tax calculations. So, Paycom automates tax calculations at federal, state, and local levels. This means it calculates withholdings accurately and helps you stay compliant with tax laws. So another is its direct deposit and check printing. Employers can choose to pay employees via direct deposit, paper checks, or even Paycom issued cards, giving flexibility in how employees receive their pay. So another key feature of Paycom is its self-service payroll for employees. Paycom offers a unique self-service payroll tool called Betty, which allows employees to manage their payroll directly. Employees can review their time cards, view pay stubs, and make adjustments, reducing the workload for HR teams. So this has the payroll review by employees. So employees can view their payroll details and correct errors in real time, helping to eliminate mistakes before payday. Another is the access to pay stubs and W-2s. Employees can view past pay stubs and download W-2s, which makes it easier for them to track their earnings and file taxes. Another key feature is the compliance management. Paycom is designed to keep companies compliant with payroll regulations, reducing the risks of penalties. It tracks legislative changes, so payroll is always up to date with the latest requirements. So this includes tax filing and reporting. Paycom automatically files federal, state, and local taxes on behalf of the company, ensuring compliance and avoiding late fees. This also includes wage and hour compliance. The platform monitors hours worked, overtime, and minimum wage laws to help employers stay compliant with wage requirements. Another key feature is the payroll reporting and analytics. Paycom offers a comprehensive suite of payroll reports that provide insights into labor costs, payroll distribution, and other financial metrics. These reports are customizable, helping companies make data driven decisions based on payroll trends. So, this includes labor cost analysis. So, reports can break down payroll expenses by department, location, or role, giving insight into how labor costs impact the organizations. This also includes audit trails and security. So Paycom maintains detailed audit trails for all payroll activities, helping track any changes or corrections made to payroll data. So the benefits of using Paycom Payroll is first because of their streamlined payroll process. Paycom's automation and integration with time tracking, benefits, and HR modules simplify payroll processing, saving time and reducing human errors. Another benefit is the enhanced employee experience. With the self service payroll tool, employees have the autonomy to view, edit, and review their payroll information, leading to fewer disputes and better transparency. Another benefit is the accurate tax management. By automating tax filings and staying up to date with the latest compliance regulations, Paycom reduces the likelihood of costly tax errors and penalties. Another benefit is their data driven insights. The reporting tools allow businesses to analyze payroll data, helping companies make informed decisions about labor costs, overtime, and other payroll related metrics. And another benefit is the scalability for growing businesses. Paycom is highly adaptable, making it suitable for small businesses that plan to grow, as well as large organizations with complex payroll needs. So basically, Paycom's payroll solution offers a robust set of features designed to handle everything from payroll processing to compliance management and reporting. Its self service options empower employees to manage their payroll, while automated tax calculations and reporting ease the burden on HR and finance departments. For companies of all sizes, Paycom provides an efficient and user friendly payroll platform that can reduce errors, enhance compliance, and deliver valuable insights. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your payroll system, Paycom offers a solid solution for streamlining payroll and workforce management in 2024. So if you need more information about Paycom Payroll, you can simply visit their website. And from here, you'll see all of the features and the features that they provide. So as you can see right here, they have 5 out of 5 reviews. They have the security. They have everything that your payroll needs. So you can click on their solution right here, and you'll see the payroll, talent acquisition, talent management, time and labor management, HR management. So you'll basically see that all of these features are provided by them. You can also see the industries. So as you can see, they have different industries that are using Paycom Payroll, and you can simply explore about the resources right here in their websites to see what all of what they offer. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.